Carnivore Girl's creative carnivore kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated, from quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at karnivorgirl, and I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode! Welcome to my creative carnivore kitchen. Well, I'm not in my kitchen. This is a carnivore ingredients and methods episode, and today I want to show you how to make these super cool, super cute salt snowflakes. I love them to put on foods, especially during winter time. Yes, it's not winter right now that I'm filming this episode. It's actually summer and really nice and warm. That's great because I have to torch, and I torch outside, not inside. So I like to prepare those in summertime, but then for winter time, it looks really nice on the food. It's like a little snowflake, and you have all these different shapes and pieces, and they're just so much fun, and it's just cute. It's just like it's for decoration. So I show you how to make these. So here I have pink Himalayan salt. So these are crystals and coarse salt, I would say, like a mix of coarse and crystals. So torching salt gets really hot. It gets hotter than meat, fish, seafood, or whatever. Really super hot. So you see I have a cast iron pan in a cast iron pan, and it will take quite a long time. And now let's just start torching it and basically melt it together. And you see, I stay at one place for a while, and now you can already see it. It's melting. Do you see that? So you see, now I can actually take this part off already. There's also one. So, and as mentioned, this is really super hot. Oh my gosh, whoa. Oh fuck. Ay. It gets so hot if you just like, oh my gosh, I'm not even touching it and it's whoa. Yeah, it gets super hot. Ooh, look, cool. So I am done torching, and I'm not gonna touch the inner pan at all. Here, it's no problem. It's a little bit warm here, nothing at all. So I can totally carry it here. But oh wow, yeah, even that pan here got hot, like, yeah, really hot. So what I do is I just leave it here and let it cool off. Here I have coarse sea salt. This is Huntley. He was safely over there. No. Here are some nice snowflakes, salt snowflakes. And yeah, for that one you definitely need this. And I'm wearing glasses. You really want to wear glasses because yeah, they pop everywhere and they can hurt. So here I just have canning salt. So this is very, very fine salt. This will be the hardest to torch. And I'm already wearing glasses. Already for the one before I did, I really wanted to wear my glasses because it was, the salt was flying around everywhere, and it was like, it was coarse salt, so it kind of hurt, so it could fly into your eyes. This is fine salt, so this probably wouldn't hurt. Well, salt in your eyes, you just don't want it. And again, like before, gonna use this. I need this. This will be the hardest to torch. So first I'm just gonna try to, stuff will fly around, yes, but I will try to keep it all together. So I try to torch it that it melts together a bit, sticks together. So at the beginning it's the hardest, but I did it before, I can do it again. Actually, that wasn't that bad. It worked pretty well at the beginning, but then I also got these huge blobs here, not really snow. Well, actually, this side is kind of nicer, but not really snowflakes, just like a melted blob. And oh, yeah, I just broke that apart, but now it's better. I think this side is even better. That looks more snowflakey. I mean, those are cool too. But so then after that I tried not to just melt everything in one place to get this big melted thing, and more like these more snowflakey like things, salt flakes. That one is really cool. So yeah, it is flying around a bit, but I have to say the one I did before, so the coarse salt, was harder to do than that one here. The coarse salt was just flying everywhere, and it kind of hurt actually on your skin and the face, and it just like, yeah, spread all over. Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @carnivorgirl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.